everyone. Good evening. This is Natalie with Discover Real Estate. I'm going to do a walking tour of the new Malecon all the way down to the port area tonight to give you a tour of the street. So they just remodeled the whole beachfront street here with all these beautiful shelters and benches and signs, and there's a fountain here, but they don't have the fountain on tonight. But they've just remodeled the whole Malecon. And so I'm going to give you a tour because previously I did a tour going north. So now I'm going to do a tour going south. And here on the corner is my wonderful office of Discover Real Estate. I need to repaint the purple. The rainy season takes its toll on it, but I'm waiting until after Semana Santa because all the men pee all over my wall during Semana Santa. So I'll wait and repaint it after that. But my beautiful office right there. And then next to me is going to be, it was a hostel, but we've sold it. Our office sold the property next door, and it's now going to be a showroom for a furniture company. And also I think Trinity Real Estate is putting a little office in here too. So this used to be Hostel Esperanza, but it is now going to be a furniture manufacturing company, their showroom and design center. So yeah. Look at the beautiful sunset tonight as I walk down the street. So here during the day they sell fruits and vegetables and coconuts, so you can come over here and get a fresh coconut water. This is the basketball court, and they also play soccer and they play volleyball here too. So looks like there's some girls playing volleyball tonight. And the building that's beside the basketball court, this is the Integral building. It's kind of like a community center. They have the traditional dance classes in there. They have a little museum, so it's like a cultural center. So, but that is here to the left. It's all dark inside, or I'd give you a tour, but it's a very old historic property. So, well, there is some light on. Let me show you. I don't have much in this room. Over here they have some history and stuff. And then in the back there's a nice courtyard area. Gives you a little look inside the Integra building. Huge clam is cool. Okay, take you back out to the street. But I like the gardens. They've done a great job. And the old bicycle there is really cool. And of course some grills here, mostly on the weekends. And then this, behind this wall here, is the FSLN San Juan headquarters. It's an old house. I don't know if they're going to remodel it or whatever, but they put up the blue metal fence. And across the water over there, that is Dockside, which is a fabulous place. There's a great view from there. I might walk all the way over there. We'll see. Give you a view from Dockside. But beside the FSLN headquarters in San Juan is Hotel Victoriana, which is a beautiful historic old building. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it's a very nice hotel. And they also have a restaurant in here. So I've eaten in the restaurant a couple of times, but not very often. And they have a nice swimming pool over here too. So. And they also do car rentals. So they have Avis Budget and Payless car rentals in here. So it's just a beautiful, beautiful old hotel. And then beside that is the Claro building. So where you can get a cell phone plan. And also the mailbox office is in here. So you can get a mailbox and have mail delivered to you in San Juan del Sur. So the mail is in through the door and to the left, and then Claro is the right side there. is just a couple of houses. So got a couple houses there, and then we have Sunset Hotel down here. Sunset Hotel used to be the original police station, and now it is a hotel, and the money they make goes back to the police pension fund. So so it's a good program. So that's Sunset Hotel there. And then here is just like a little park area where people rollerblade and skateboard. So we got one girl on a skateboard there. It's very high tide tonight, so I didn't walk on the beach. Haven't walked on the beach for the last 2 nights because it's very high tide. There's no beach to walk on really. I'll take you down here, and actually let me go this way. This is a food court area, so I can give you a better view of the food court if I go through here. Beside the food court is Banpro Bank, which is a good bank. They have locations all throughout Central America. So it's an international bank branch. And if you're having trouble getting your ATM card to work at other banks, try Banpro, because my account in the US, the only bank that it works at in San Juan is Banpro. So now here's the food court area. They have great chicken wings here at the rotisserie place. A kid on his bicycle. But it's early, so nobody's out for dinner yet, really. A few people, but not many. And then beside it is the bus. So food and drinks. And they got a covered area there, and then there's different little restaurants and stuff set up in here that serve different things. This place has got pizza, and they have bathrooms here now. So it's a nice little food court area. I'll take you over here. They have a playground, a great playground for the kids. This is all part of the remodeled court area. Where I just walked through, that used to be a massive old warehouse when I first moved here. It was kind of somewhat fallen down, and they tore it down and they remodeled everything and made this. So they have a lot of special events right here. This A-frame thing is for piñatas. So they love their piñatas here. And they've got parking over here, so they've got gated off-street parking. There's a gym on the other side over there. But here is the duty-free store, and also Twani's restaurant, which Twani's is one of my favorite restaurants. So they have a very good menu. It's kind of Americanized, good quality food. So, and I love the view of town from over here. You can see the statue of Jesus is lit up tonight. So, yeah. Just up the steps on the left is the duty-free shop, and then you've got Twani's restaurant. And then over across, you have Dockside, which is, they have all kinds of imported beers. And they have a little, kind of like a little sporting goods variety store. They've got board games, they've got sunscreens, they have just all kinds of stuff, like sunshades, things like that. But yeah, Twani's restaurant. It's a great restaurant. I love it. And then here is just kind of a open plaza. Different people rent it for different events. You frequently see people rollerblading in here, or rollerblading, roller skating. So they have different things that go on here. And down at the end is an ice cream shop. So, and a tourism office and another old Claro building. So Claro office. And then here they also have piers for boats to come in and out and unload, load and unload. But we can't get big cruise ships in. It doesn't work for the big cruise ships. So, all right, let me take you around to this side of the building. have a gym. So everybody's in there working out, pumping some iron. Yeah, I got a big gymnasium in there. And some more parking here. And let me take you over to the end of the parking. At the very end of the street down here is the fish market. So you can come down here and buy fresh fish. You can get a whole fish. You can get it filleted. You can get shrimp, lobster, squid, octopus, you name it. Ceviche. They've got lots of different fish stands here that you can get different types of fish or ceviche and everything. And then across the street is the casino. Yeah. It's a casino. I don't really recommend it. So, and then there's one other little bar down here, and that's basically it for this end of town. So, but yeah, the port area is so much nicer now. This whole area, like I said, was just a big old warehouse, and it was falling down and nasty, and they tore that down, and they made a very nice port area. I love my life. Come join me.